Installing software through the application catalog. Open the application catalog, which can be found on your desktop. The Software Center will open and you will see all of the software that has been assigned to your catalog. In the right-hand corner, locate the search bar and type in the name of the required software and press Enter. Scroll over the icon and select it. Confirm that this is a software that you need and click on Install. You can verify the status by going to the Installation Status in the left menu bar. Scroll through your list and find the software. It should say Installing under the Status category. Once it has installed completely, an Installation Complete box will display. Remember that the installation time will vary depending on the software. If you experience any issues, please contact our Global Service Center.